Why does the Earth have seasons? Shape of the Earth. The Earth is not a perfect circle. It's a bit squished at the poles and wider in the middle. This shape is called an oblate spheroid. Example, imagine a ball that gets squished a little at the top and bottom. That's kind of like the Earth. Earth's layers. The Earth has different layers inside it. These are crust, the thin outer layer where we live. Mantle, the layer below the crust. It's hot and made of rock. Core, the very center of the Earth. It's super hot and made of metal. Earth's orbit. The Earth orbits, or travels, around the Sun in a big circle. This takes about 365 days. As the Earth moves, the tilt of the Earth causes the seasons. Earth's atmosphere. The Earth has a special atmosphere, which is made of air. It helps keep the Earth warm and protects us from the Sun's dangerous rays. Water and land. About 71% of Earth is covered with water, oceans, lakes, rivers, and the rest is land, mountains, forests, deserts. Example, think about a big blue ball with some green and brown parts. That's Earth. Earth and life. Earth is the only planet known to have life. We have plants, animals, humans, and many other living things. It's the perfect place for life to grow. The Earth moves around the Sun. The Earth doesn't just sit still. It travels around the Sun in a big circle, like a racetrack. This trip around the Sun takes 365 days, which is one whole year. The Earth moves around the Sun. Example, imagine you're walking around a campfire. The closer you get to the fire, the hotter you feel, and the farther you go, the cooler you get. The Earth does something similar as it moves around the Sun. The Earth is tilted. The Earth doesn't stand straight up. It's tilted a little bit, at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This means the Earth is always a little leaning to one side while moving around the Sun. The Earth is tilted. Example, think of it like tilting your head to one side. If you keep tilting while walking around, the side of your head that faces the Sun will get more light and warmth. The other side will get less. How the tilt affects the seasons. Because the Earth is tilted, different parts of the Earth get different amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. That's why we have seasons. Summer happens in the part of the Earth that is leaning toward the Sun. So, the sunlight shines directly on that part, making it hot. How the tilt affects the seasons. Winter happens in the part of the Earth that is tilted away from the Sun. That part gets less sunlight, so it's colder. Seasons change as the Earth moves. As the Earth moves around the Sun, different parts of the Earth are tilted toward or away from the Sun. This is why we don't always have the same weather. Seasons change as the Earth moves. Example, in the Northern Hemisphere, where we live, when it's summer, it's winter in the Southern Hemisphere, like in Australia. And when it's winter here, it's summer there. The four seasons. Spring. The Earth is getting a little bit of sunlight, so the weather is warm, and plants start to grow. The four seasons. Summer. The Earth is tilted toward the Sun, so it's hot. The four seasons. Autumn. Fall. The Earth starts moving away from the Sun, so it gets cooler, and leaves turn colors. The four seasons. Winter. The Earth is tilted away from the Sun, so it's cold, and there's less sunlight. Why do we have different weather at the same time? While one part of the Earth gets hot sunlight, the other gets cold sunlight. That's why some places have hot summers, while other places are cold in the same months.